And now we are gonna see how to import the data files into our Postman. So we can use data files to pass Postman sets of values to use in a collection run. By selecting JSON or CSV data file in the collection runner, you can test your requests with multiple values as part of the single run. So running collections with data files. Let's do that. Postman, and so first we have to select. We can select the data file to use in a collection run. So now we have to select a runner from the Postman footer directly. So let me click on a runner here, which is on the Postman footer. So once this window appears, now you can see that this is the runner. Now you have three options. We have done it run manually. We have schedule runs, and after that the third option is automate runs via CLI. That's command line interface of this. Okay, that's okay. We can run a collection through that also. However, here we will here we will select our collection and drag it into the run order work area. So let me click on collections here in spite of other things, and let me drag it here. So it's taking some time. Yeah, we got that. So uh, now the collection has been dragged. Now it's time to select our data file within the select file button. Okay, for that you come down, you keep it manual. Here you have to select the file, and so let me click on here, and after you select the data file, you can select preview to inspect the data in the file before you start the run. So let me select it. Of course, this is not the proper file, but just I want to show you. So error while parsing the data files because this is not the proper way. So preview, let's preview. It's undetermined. Let me application JSON, that would be better. Okay, it's unable to parse that, but still let me see. It's unable to parse. But still let me see, let me check the preview of this. Okay, and text CSV, that would be better. So preview, yeah, this is the information there. It consists of okay, total too many of lines, so that's why it's unable to parse it as a JSON. Okay, but that's how this is how we do that. This is how we do that the proper way. So select, then once run using that data file. Then once it is done, if the data file is proper, obviously you can select run using data file. Okay, so now it took correctly sc.json. Let me preview it, and iteration, there is nothing much here in this. Okay, that's fine, but what I want to show is this. So then we can run this using data file. So let me scroll down more. Yep. So once you click on that, the collection runner runs the collection requests for each iteration in the data file. So the output indicates the results for the tests you defined in your collection requests. So that's how we use a data file in running the collections. And after that, as usual, you can follow the steps. We can view it, and we can modify it, we can pass it, we can resume it, and we can delete it. That remains same. It doesn't change. So and we can access the data file values also similarly using environment variables, and some more we'll find out. Okay, so that's how we use a